This is Wes from Summerset Grills, affectionately known as the, and it's Food Friday. Today we're going to be cooking up some simple blue cheese sliders. We're going to use some onions and some tomatoes. We're going to throw them out. It's simple. Everybody likes them. Let's get on it. Okay, we're going to fire up the American Muscle Grill, our apparatus, our grilling apparatus of choice here on Food Friday. We do it every Friday. We're going to fire it up like we always do. Oh, yeah. There it goes. Boom. Got 110,000 BTUs. I turned 3 of the burners on. We'll leave them on for about 3 minutes. At that point, my solid fuels will be combusted. We're using applewood and natural maple hardwood today. So that's going to give our sliders a really good barbecue taste. These simple blue cheese sliders are going to be made no time at all. First of all, I want to let you know that I did wash my hands. I don't like wearing those fancy little gloves. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to throw some blue cheese right into our hamburger meat here. Usually we use 80-20, a little fat, throw it on the grill. I'm going to go ahead and mix this together. It looks like a mess, but it'll be very good. Okay, I've mixed some of my blue cheese in with my hamburger meat. I'm going to go ahead and keep it simple. Get some pepper on there, mix that in. Get some salt. Basics of all spices in the world, pepper and salt. A lot of people don't use anything but this. I'm going to go ahead and mix that up a little more. Work it in there a little bit. We're going to go ahead and make our sliders. I'm going to make them small, try to get 8 out of this. Should be enough in here. 8. We'll go ahead and make this last one here. There we go. We got 8 burgers and a bonus burger out of that. We've gone ahead and mixed in our ground pepper, our salt, our hamburger with our blue cheese, and we're going to get those on. I'm going to check my fire. Looks like the American Muscle Grill's firing up here. So we're going to go ahead and turn off the gas. We have no gas. We're on natural fuels at this point. We're going to let that fire down a little bit. I'll break it out and we'll have some nice white coals in which to cook our burgers. These blue cheese sliders are going to be accompanied by some nice tomatoes and a nice onion. So I'm going to go ahead and cut our onion right now. We're going to get that in some nice lean little strips. We're going to go ahead. Oh yeah, let's see. Okay, at this point, I'm going to go ahead and get my onions into my cooking pan here so I can caramelize them. Throw them in there like such. Oh, they're good ones, I can tell. I'm going to go ahead, throw a little olive oil in there. I'm going to go ahead and get these on the high heat and get them caramelized. We're going to leave these on for probably about 12 to 15 minutes, depending on the heat of your fire. We've got it on an open flame, so we're going to watch it. But they'll caramelize in about 15 minutes. To accompany our sliders, I've got a couple of really nice homegrown California tomatoes. We're going to go ahead and slice them, and we're going to enjoy those. Cut them real thin. Come on, baby. There we go. Look how that one cuts different. We're going to throw our sliders on the hot fire now. We have the American Muscle Grill up to temperature. Got some nice coals in there. We're going to go ahead and throw our sliders right on the fire. I'm going to flip my burgers. I had them on for about 3 or 4 minutes. We're on an open fire. You kind of work quick. Get your spatula underneath them, flip them over. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and grab my caramelized onions and I'm going to place them on the hamburger buns, just a little on each. Just a little taster there. And I have to leave one off because I have somebody that doesn't like onions. Come on, baby. These look pretty good. Okay, we're gonna bring them back over here. Set them down. We're gonna go ahead and put a little tomato on each one. Give it a little color, give it a nice little texture, a little taste. Oh yeah. You can tell these are gonna be good. I can smell that blue cheese melted in there. Oh yeah, cut it out. Then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna throw a little arugula over the top. Get some color. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and finish these off. We're going to top these off with a little mayo. This is my favorite part of the day. As you know, I get to try the food and try the beer. My, that's good. That's it for us today. We want you to get out there this weekend and grill it up like we always encourage you to do. That's it for Food Friday. The Villain's going to be chilling. We'll see you next week on Food Friday.